Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn our 7th chapter. The name of the chapter is The Food We Eat. Now, first of all, students, tell me what you do when you feel tired. Well, you eat food or you drink something to get energetic, right? Alright, we take food and food provides our body with energy, right? Now look at the picture. Who is eating healthy food? The first one is eating fruits, vegetables, chapati. And the second picture, the boy is eating junk food. Food provides our body with energy. It helps us grow. It keeps us active. Our brain needs energy to think and make sense of ideas and information. We all need food. Without food, we cannot move, right? Without energy, we cannot focus on what we are doing. Whether we are learning new things at school or playing at home, good food helps us to concentrate in every manner, right? Now let us see the food pyramid. The food pyramid shows 4 main groups of foods. As you can see, grains, then vegetables and fruits, then milk and meat, and others. There are junk food. There is one activity also in your book. With the help of the food pyramid, write the food items in each group in your notebook. The groups are grain group, vegetable group, fruit group, milk group, meat group, and others. As you can see in this picture, there is a food pyramid and the items are shown here. Some foods like fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, milk and milk products are good for health. They give nutrition to our body. Chips, burgers and pizzas are not good for health because they are oily or contain a lot of salt or sugar, which is not healthy for our body. They are called junk food. Student, you should avoid junk food to be healthy. Junk food should be avoided or eaten occasionally. You can eat them occasionally, but do not have a habit of eating junk food. Always take good food, a healthy food. Now let us learn about types of food. As you know, food gives us energy, but what kind of food we should eat? Foods can be divided into 3 groups depending on the functions they perform. First of all, energy giving foods. The food which gives us energy. These are foods that give us energy to work and play. Bread, rice, chapatis, oats and banana are called energy giving foods. These are the examples of energy giving foods. Now, next is body building foods. These are foods that help our body grow. As you all are very young, your body needs protein, and protein are called body building foods also. And from where you can get that? Milk, meat, beans and pulses are called body building foods. You should intake a lot of body building foods in your diet. Now next is protective foods. The food that protect our body from harmful diseases and keep us healthy. are foods that keep us fit and healthy and protect us from diseases. Fruits and vegetables are called protective foods. That's why always your parents encourage you to eat protective foods, fruits and vegetables, right? Now, what is a balanced diet? Balanced means there is nothing more and nothing less, right? The diet which includes energy giving, body building and protective foods in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Means a diet which has all the nutrients is called a balanced diet. Eating too much of one type of food will cause an imbalance in your diet. Suppose if you are taking bodybuilding food only, then what will happen? Your body will not get protected by the diseases as you are not taking protective foods. And if you intake a lot of energy giving food only, your body will get fatty, right? So there should be a balance between all the nutrients. Do you know milk is called complete food? It has all the nutrients that our body require. Now, different types of food in India. As in India, we have different culture, different states. So, people in different states of different culture are used to take different types of food. In India, people eat different types of food. Some states and the dishes they are famous for are given below. In Punjab, makke ki roti and sarson ka saag is famous. In West Bengal, fish and rice. In Rajasthan, dal bati churma. In Tamil Nadu, dosa and sambar. Jammu and Kashmir, mutton biryani. In Gujarat, thepla. Students, these are some examples of the types of food in India. As you can see, there are some pictures also. Fish and rice, dal bati churma, dosa and sambar, mutton biryani, thepla. Which is your favorite? Okay. Tips for healthy eating. How we can take a healthy routine. How we can follow a healthy routine. We should drink enough water as water helps to digest the food. Wash fruits and vegetables before eating them. Wash your hands before eating. Keep your food covered. It will protect from dirt and germs. Eat fresh vegetables and fruits only. Eat regular meals at proper intervals. Do not eat your meal at a single time. Use frequent meals. Take frequent meals. Chew your food properly before swallowing it. Do not swallow it directly. Okay, chew your food properly so that it can digest well. Brush your teeth after eating. Keep your weight under control. So these are the tips for healthy eating and for a healthy life. Students, I am sharing the notes also with that. So write the provided notes in your notebook. Take care of yourself.